Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This is day one of covering Excel essentials for the data analyst, and this is basic math of the Excel. So we'll be discussing about how we do our basic operations in mathematics such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in Excel. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So here we have two numbers, right? 5 and 3. So essentially, addition is simply using a plus symbol. So yeah, we'll come here. We'll come to the cell. So we'll come to the cell, and whenever you want to add something, whenever you're writing a formula in Excel, one thing to be, one thing you must keep in mind is that we should every formula starts with a equals to symbol. Yeah. So whenever I type an equal to uh, in the cell, Excel automatically thinks that I'm going to start a formula or write a formula. So I've come here and I'm adding 5 and I'll select 5 here, and shift plus equal to symbol will give a plus symbol, and now I'm adding one more. I'm adding 3 here, selecting 3. So we have gotten 8, and there is one more method for the addition, which is a sum equals to which is a sum method. So it starts similarly. So put an equal to symbol first and then write sum and open the bracket and come to the number you want to add, and simply hold this hold this shift and keep the down arrow till you reach the range of values, and now enter. You got 8, right? And coming to the subtraction, it is pretty simple. Put an equal to symbol, select the number, put a minus sign, and select the number again, 2. And this is pretty straightforward. And put a equal to symbol, select the number, put a multiplication sign, and then select the number. And name, same. And coming to division, put an equal to symbol, select the number, put a division sign, and then select the other number. Right? So yeah, please verify mathematically uh, if you want to be, exactly sure about these values. I know I'm pretty much sure that uh, Excel guys wouldn't have made a mistake. Yeah, that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.